this video we're going to secure this UPVC door. A few weeks back the Euro cylinder on this door was actually damaged when somebody tried unlocking it from outside when the key was already on the inside. That resulted in the Euro cylinder being damaged and we had to get a new one. There are a couple of scenarios where you need to secure the door but you can't lock it using the Euro cylinder. With a door like this, if the handle can be pushed down, you can actually unlock it and open the door very easily. But once you've lifted the handle up, it actually engages the multi-point lock and that will stop the door from opening. So I've simply made this from a couple of pieces of scrap pallet wood. Simply drilled a 25mm hole there and then two smaller holes which I think are about 8 or 10mm. That will enable you to use a couple of cable ties to ensure that that won't come off. Unfortunately there's not a lot of room here to do the filming, but if we just push that so that it's touching the ceiling, and of course you can make this from one piece of wood if you have a piece long enough. I've simply used 2 pieces of scrap. So that's now touching at the ceiling and it's touching at the floor. So there's no way that anybody can push that handle up or down. I should point out that this will only work if the door locking mechanism is working and the gearbox. You can only secure the door this way if there is a problem with the Euro cylinder. We will of course secure that on there with a couple of cable ties as well. You could use a Jubilee clip or something on the end of there to prevent it coming off. But by using something like this, it means you can actually remove the Euro cylinder. You can take it to the shop and get a new one and nobody can actually get in through that door. You would of course have to go out through the back door of the property. And that should stop that piece of wood from accidentally falling off. There are a couple of scenarios where this would be useful. If the Euro cylinder was damaged and you couldn't lock it and you needed to get a new one, you could secure the door using this method. Also, if you lose a key for the property and you're worried that somebody might try and get in at night, you can also do this to secure the handle to prevent anybody from accessing the property. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you've not done so already, please subscribe to the channel.